Shake. Look at these nails.
Let
me see this one. Pretty. You're so pretty, Letty.
Now, on this episode of Johnny Cake.
You watch too much TV. Okay, let's go.
I like that show.
Okay, go.
I'm Johnny Cake for this. Letty ring around the rosy, pocket full of fuzzy, ashes, young ball. Letty, sit.
Just fall down. She might fall down with you. There. Try it again.
Okay.
She'll probably just follow you. She probably don't even need a treat.
Letty. Ring around the rosy, pocket full of her. Ashes, Letty.
Letty's like, please.
Fall down.